This video is going to go over how to edit your website from Omega One. You must have administrator access to edit the chapter's website. If you have that access, you will see Manage External Website in the Admin Tools. You'll click on Manage External Website, and then from here, you will click on Go. Once you're on the website editor, it will direct you to the landing page that has steps for setting up your website. Your editing options will be on the left menu, and the editing options may vary based on your international organization settings. We will go through each step, and then I will show you how to get back to the website setup steps as you go through each step. So the first step will be to choose a template design with switch design. So that's here. And then from here, you can change which design you would like to show on your website. If you need to get back to the website setup steps, you'll click here. And the next step would be to customize your colors, logos, and fonts, as well as set a page password for the template. So here you can choose your header color, your background color, your footer color, etc. Once you're done with that, again, you can go back to the setup steps, or you can just go down each list on the left-hand menu. To update your homepage message with a welcome message, you'll click here and you'll input your information. If you want to add or delete or reorder any photos, you can do that as well. One thing to note is that photos have to be edited or cropped before they are uploaded to the website. You cannot crop those when they are put into the website. So you can use Canva, PicMonkey, Photoshop to crop your pictures to the correct link. Here under homepage photos, it tells you that each photo should be at least 500 pixels by 500 pixels. So you can upload a picture if you go to canva.com, and then within Canva you can choose your sizing, and you can choose 500 pixel by 500 pixel. And once you're done with that, you can then download it to your computer and then upload it to this website. From here, you will continue to go through each setup steps, so you can change as chapter news or any information that you want the chapter, if you want that to display on your website, you can update that here under chapter news. And we do recommend that you update this when you guys are having events, when you are having recruitment, anything that you would like to announce. We recommend that you update your website regularly so people are notified and they know what's going on. So as you can see with this particular website, we have it as Twitter. We're going to change it to chapter news. And then from there, we can go in and we can update any news. So for instance, if you have graduating seniors and you want to congratulate them, you can put congratulations graduating seniors. Or if you have an event coming up for winter formal, you can put winter formal and then the dates. And then you can even add a link for people, if you have an event sign up, for people to click on, and then they can go to that link and sign up for the event or RSVP. There are a lot of things that you can use for this add chapter news. So however you would like to use it, you can do so. And then it will show any updates that you've created and posted under the current chapter news. And if you need to edit it or delete it, you will be able to do that as well. If you would like to add your chapter's Facebook page, Instagram, any other social media URLs, you can do that by going to follow us. And from here, you can put in your Facebook page URL, LinkedIn, and so on. If you would like to hide a page or you don't want to show a page, you can do so as long as those pages are not under the home section and or the pages are not locked. So for instance, if any pages under the home page cannot be hidden, but under about, involvement, these other pages, they can be hidden. So if you go to chapter officers, and you can choose to show it or hide it, and that will hide that page if you choose to do so from your website. If you would like to add a new page that is not listed here, you can do that by going to Edit Parent menu. And from here, you can click on this plus sign and you can add a new page and then begin editing. It will show up here and then you'll begin editing that page from the left-hand menu. If you have any additional questions or need any other help, you can click on our help icon here and it will take you to our help center for OmegaSites. If you do not see anything here that will answer your question, you can click on support and make sure that you put in OmegaSites, or you can email software support@omegafy.com.